Cote's Mechanical now has the latest in indoor air quality. Clean and purify your home's air with our exclusive In-Duct Air Purifier, the latest and best indoor air quality device. Let's take a look at how it operates. The In-Duct Air Purifier proactively purifies every square inch of your home, cleans all contaminants from the air and on surfaces. The In-Duct Air Purifier installs right into the duct system. When the blower turns on, it activates the unit, producing ionized hydroperoxide molecules, which are distributed throughout your whole home. When the hydroperoxide molecules come in contact with any virus, including the SARS-CoV-2 virus, which causes COVID-19, they inactivate the virus and eliminate them from the air and surfaces. It also eliminates germs and bacteria from the air and surfaces as well. The In-Duct Air Purifier produces positive and negative ions which charge the air, causing the tiniest of particulate matter such as dust, pollen, mold spores, VOCs, pet dander to cling together, making them larger and easily filtered, keeping your air clean and germ-free. With this revolutionary long-life UV technology, the Halo LED unit will purify the air you breathe for years to come. So let us give your home a breath of fresh, clean air.